Welcome to another video. Today's topic is multiplying out brackets. First set of brackets, single brackets. So you have x bracket 1 plus 2x. How do you expand this bracket? So first of all, you times x by each figure inside the brackets. So x times 1 and then x times 2. So x times 1 would be x, and then x times positive 2 would be plus 2x squared. This would be your answer. For the next one, same thing, minus 3x times 4 and then minus 3x times x. So minus 3x times 4 is minus 12x. And then minus 3x times minus x is plus 3x squared. Okay, be careful with the minus signs, alright? Very important. You basically multiply the figure outside the brackets. Okay, if it's just one figure like minus 3x or x, then you just times that by every figure inside the brackets. For double brackets, it's a bit trickier, but it's the same thing. So there are 4 figures, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you do is you multiply each figure with a different figure. Okay, so you start off with x, so x times x, which is x squared. Remember, there's no negative sign, so it's positive, so positive x squared, and then x times 2, so plus 2x, and then you do the same thing for 1. So 1 times x, actually let's do it under, so 1 times x again, so you multiply by this x again, which will be plus x. 1 times x is plus x, and then plus 1 times plus 2, so plus 2, and then you add the common like terms, so x squared plus 3x plus 2. This will be your final answer. Now for this one, there are 2 negative signs, so make sure you take note of that, here and here. Again, there are 4 figures, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So x times x, which is x squared, and then x times minus 7, which will give you minus 7x. And then you do the same for minus 4. So minus 4 times x, which is minus 4x, and then minus 4 times minus 7. Actually, I forgot to write the arrows. Here you go. So minus 4 times x, which is this, minus 4x, and minus 4 times minus 7, which is plus 28. Then you simplify with common like terms, so x squared minus 11x plus 28. This will be the fully simplified expanded version. For triple brackets, it's similar to double brackets, it just takes longer. You do x times x, and then x times 3, and then x times 4, and then x times 4. X times x again, and then x times 4. Now, as you can see, this method is very long, okay? So I suggest what you do is this. You expand these 2 brackets first, right? You expand these 2 together first. So these 2 first, and then with whatever you get, you multiply with this bracket. Okay, so you start off with these 2, so x squared, x times x equals x squared, and then x times 3, which is plus 3x, and then 1 times x is plus x, and then 1 times 3, which is plus 3. Then you add the common like term, so x squared plus 4x plus 3. So now you have your first bracket, okay, that you've expanded from these 2. Now, now you only have 3 figures, okay, 1, 2, 3. Here you had 4 figures, okay, so now you have 3 figures. It's actually much more simple. Okay, so you have x plus 4, you put that on the side, since you haven't expanded that yet, and then you do the same thing, alright? Here are 2 questions, so pause the video and try to do this on your own. So x plus 3 times x minus 4. So first of all, we do x times x squared, and then x times minus 4. So minus 4x. And then plus 3 times x, so plus 3x. And then plus 3 times minus 4, minus 12. And you simplify, so x squared minus x minus 12 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 is 1, so minus x. Okay, this will be your answer. Now for this one, you do the same thing. So 2y times 1, which is 2y, and then 2y times 1 over y, which will be 2. Okay, because 2y times 1 over y equals 2y over y. Then you cancel out the y's, so this would leave you with 2. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.